What if I told you this isn't just an old pickup? It's a $129,000 square body beast hiding a modern LS V8 under the hood. Wait until you hear this thing roar! What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at one of the cleanest and most desirable square body trucks ever built, the incredible 1986 Chevrolet K-10 4x4 pickup Restomod. This isn't just another restored classic. It's a professionally crafted machine that combines timeless American truck styling with modern performance, premium craftsmanship, and serious collector appeal. With an asking price of $129,000, this K-10 proves that legendary trucks never go out of style. At first glance, the steel gray metallic paint immediately commands attention. The finish is deep, glossy, and perfectly complements the truck's bold square body lines. Black and red accents add just the right amount of contrast, highlighting the aggressive personality without overwhelming the classic design. Every body line looks crisp, every panel fits beautifully, and the iconic Scottsdale trim reminds you why these trucks became American legends. From the front, the truck proudly wears its unmistakable square body face. The classic grille, rugged stance, and lifted suspension give it a commanding presence that instantly turns heads. Whether parked at a car show or rolling through town, this K-10 demands attention from enthusiasts of every generation. One look at the side profile reveals exactly why square-body Chevrolets have exploded in popularity. The proportions are perfect. The rough country lift kit gives the truck an aggressive off-road stance while maintaining excellent drivability. Sitting underneath are beautiful US mag wheels wrapped in massive 33x12 5R15 BFGoodrich All-Terrain tires, creating a combination that's equally at home on pavement or dirt trails. Around back, the truck remains clean and functional. A durable plastic bed liner protects the cargo bed, making this classic pickup practical as well as beautiful. It's the kind of truck you could confidently drive across the country, take to a weekend cruise, or proudly display at a national truck show. But the real excitement begins when the hood opens. Nestled inside the engine bay is a modern 5.3-liter LS crate V8 engine, bringing this classic truck firmly into the modern performance era. Known for reliability, smooth power delivery, and incredible tuning potential, the LS platform has become the gold standard for Restomods. Feeding the engine is a fast fuel injection system, providing crisp throttle response, dependable cold starts, and impressive efficiency compared to older carbureted setups. Power flows through a heavy-duty 4L80E 4-speed automatic transmission, one of General Motors' strongest automatic gearboxes. Built to handle substantial horsepower and torque, it delivers smooth shifts whether you're cruising down the highway or accelerating hard. Sending power to the pavement is a factory-style rear end equipped with a 373 Posi gear, giving this K-10 outstanding acceleration while maintaining comfortable highway cruising. The drivetrain strikes an ideal balance between performance and practicality. Fire up the engine, and the soundtrack immediately steals the show. Flowmaster mufflers connected to a brand new 3-inch exhaust system produce a deep, unmistakable American V8 rumble. At idle, it sounds muscular and refined. Press the throttle and the LS roars with authority, delivering the kind of soundtrack every truck enthusiast dreams about. Underneath the truck, the attention to detail is nothing short of exceptional. The frame has been professionally painted along with the floor, creating a clean presentation rarely seen even on high-end restorations. New shocks improve ride quality, while new brake hardware and fresh brake lines ensure dependable stopping performance. Even the fuel system has been refreshed with new fuel tanks and fuel lines, reinforcing the build's commitment to reliability. Behind the wheel, this K-10 offers the perfect blend of vintage character and modern comfort. The gray interior stays faithful to the truck's original appearance while receiving thoughtful upgrades. A comfortable bench seat invites long drives, complemented by fresh gray carpeting and new door panels that make the cabin feel factory fresh. Ahead of the driver, upgraded aftermarket gauges provide accurate engine information while preserving the truck's classic personality. Factory-style HVAC controls and a factory-style radio maintain the nostalgic atmosphere, allowing the interior to feel authentic rather than overly modernized. Driving this truck is a completely different experience from a stock 1986 pickup. Power steering makes low-speed maneuvering effortless, while power brakes with front disc brakes inspire confidence every time you slow down. The suspension provides a commanding view of the road, and the LS powertrain transforms the driving experience into something remarkably smooth, responsive, and enjoyable. What makes this build truly special is how seamlessly the classic and modern elements come together. Nothing feels out of place. Every upgrade appears carefully selected to enhance the truck while respecting its heritage. It still looks unmistakably like a 1986 Chevrolet K-10, but it performs with the confidence and dependability expected from a modern performance vehicle. It's easy to understand why square-body Chevrolet trucks have become some of the hottest collector vehicles in today's market. Their rugged styling, simple engineering, and endless customization possibilities have earned them an enormous following. High-quality builds like this one continue to appreciate because they offer the best of both worlds: timeless design and modern capability. At $129,000, this isn't simply a restored pickup, it's an investment in American automotive history. Every detail, from the steel gray metallic paint to the LS V8, from the Flowmaster exhaust to the professionally restored undercarriage, reflects craftsmanship, passion, and attention to detail. Whether you're a collector searching for the ultimate square body, a truck enthusiast who appreciates modern performance wrapped in vintage styling, or simply someone who loves beautifully built American classics, this 1986 Chevrolet K-10 4x4 pickup Restomod delivers on every level. If you enjoyed this incredible truck, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more amazing classic cars, muscle cars, and high-end Restomods, and let us know in the comments, would you park this $129,000 square body legend in your garage, or would you take it straight onto the trails? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.